Hey there. So how do you create data inside HubSpot? What you need is some sort of segmentation. And this is where lists come into play. Now lists can be of a lot of different types. It could be active, it could be static, and depending upon how you are going to use them, these lists can vary. And today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can implement segmentation and lists inside HubSpot. Now, if you want to do segmentation in your HubSpot account, you need to create something we call as list. In order to create a list, click on contacts and then go to the bottom, click on list. Here, you can create two types of lists. So on the top right, click on create list. Here you have an option to create either an active list or a static list. An active list is something which is being updated for a certain set of criteria which keeps on changing with times. It's dependent upon the fact that, for example, active list for form. You can also add a description over here. Click on next. Now you have to select a filtering type. Click on add filter. So you are filtering on the contact, and here we can click on form submissions, which is a marketing interaction, and click on any form submission. So if the contact has filled out any form on our website, that contact would be added to this active list. And now you just click on save list. Once we have clicked on save list, we now have the active list for form over here. And as soon as people qualify for this list, they will be added to this list dynamically. And this is how segmentation is done properly on HubSpot. So guys, I hope you understood how you can perform segmentation quickly inside HubSpot using lists. And we hope that all of this was good enough for you. And in case it wasn't good enough, you can always leave a comment down below. And you can also scan the QR code in front of you in order to have a one-on-one consultation call with us, where we at theadityanathjha would guide you through your HubSpot and inbound marketing journey. And in case you have any other issues, do let us know. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.